Hello, dear students. Today we're going to speak about human evolution, primate ancestors. Let's start. What is evolution? The theory of evolution applies just as much to humans as to other organisms. All humans are in the same way related and, in the words of Darwin, are descended with modification from a common ancestor. Although our social and technological developments have freed us from many of the effects of natural selection, our present-day physical and behavioral characteristics are rooted in the adaptations of our ancestors. So by finding out more about our ancestors, we can learn more about ourselves. Adaptation of primates. The classification of humans reflects our evolutionary relationships. About 150–170 million years ago, all mammals were small insectivores, rather like the shrews of today. About 75 million years ago, some of these insectivores adopted an arboreal mode of life and evolved into lemur-like primates. The adaptations of these ancestral primates to their new tree-living mode of life are thought to have included a short nose, large eyes, and prominent ears, long flexible fingers with nail-like claws, and teeth well adapted for eating insects. These features are found in tarsiers living today in Indonesia. Many other features that evolved in ancestral primates as adaptations to an arboreal life have been retained by modern primates. These features include a prehensile limb. The hands of primates have long and highly mobile digits so that they can grasp the branches of trees. The first digit can oppose the remaining 4 digits, giving primates a powerful grip. Primates have flattened nails that support pads of sensitive skin on the fingers or toes. A mobile forearm. The clavicle and scapula are adapted to allow a wide range of movements. Mobile forearms are essential for moving from tree to tree and for manipulating objects in the hand. For example, to transfer food to the mouth or to bring an object to the eyes for closer examination. Well-developed stereoscopic vision. The ability to judge distances is essential for leaping from branch to branch. Primates have large, well-developed forward-looking eyes with overlapping fields of view. The development of stereoscopic vision has been associated with a flattening of the face. A reduced sense of smell. It is not easy to locate scents through the canopies of trees, and primates have a reduced sense of smell and a relatively small nose. Combined with the flattening of the face, a shorter nose is associated with the development of stereoscopic vision and has allowed the development of facial muscles, which play an important part in nonverbal communication. An unspecialized digestive system. Primates have relatively unspecialized teeth and guts, and they can exploit a wide range of food sources. Although some primates have a specialized herbivorous diet, all primate families have some omnivorous members that have a mixed diet. A skull modified for upright posture. Primates have an upright posture associated with having a forward-looking face. The skull rests on top of the vertebra and has a large opening, the foramen magnum though, which the medulla of the brain emerges and extends downwards as the spinal cord. Reduced number of offspring. Life in the trees is difficult and dangerous, especially for young animals. Some arboreal animals, such as birds and squirrels, build nests in which the young can be protected until they are old enough to fend for themselves. Primates have adopted another strategy. From birth, the young cling to the mother's body and only slowly gain independence. Primates produce few young, but look after them for a long time. They have a long gestation period and prolonged period of dependency after birth. A large brain. An active life in the trees requires precise movements and therefore good muscular coordination, vision, tactile senses, memory, thought, and learning. These processes depend on a large and highly developed brain. Social groupings. All primates live to some degree in social groups in which members cooperate with each other. Complex social behavior probably stems from the strong pair bond which enables a mother and her young to remain closely together for a long time. Lengthy rearing of a small number of young is most successful when the mother has support from other adults. The continued success of a group of animals depends on the recruitment of young helpers, and so evolves the social interdependency, which is the basis of our own human society. The groups of modern primates. At about the same time as the dinosaurs became extinct, about 65 million years ago, the primitive primates diverged quickly to give rise to two main suborders, the prosimians and anthropoids. The prosimians are represented today by lemurs, lorises, and tarsiers, and the anthropoids by monkeys, apes, and humans. Monkeys are distinguished from apes in having long tails, and the forelimbs are not usually longer than the hind limbs. They are believed to have evolved from two different groups of lemur-like animals, which became isolated when continental drift separated Eurasia from North America. The North American group evolved into New World monkeys, which died out in North America but somehow colonized South America. The Eurasia group gave rise to Old World monkeys, from which apes and humans evolved. There are several differences between Old World monkey and New World monkeys which show their separate evolution. For example, the nostrils of monkeys from South America are wide open and far apart, and New World monkeys have a long tail that is prehensile. The nostrils of monkeys from Africa and Asia are narrow and close together, and no Old World monkey has a prehensile tail. That is the end of our video session. Thank you for watching.